Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game. You got an error uplay underscore r1 underscore loader64.dll was not found or missing while launching any game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the first step, you need to open up your Windows security. In the left pane, click on the option Protection History. From here, a list of blocked files will be shown right in front of you. Here is a complete list. So what you need to do is to click on this down arrow key on each of the file. As soon as you click on the down arrow key, click on the option yes, and then over here under the protected folder, the file name will be shown. Once you find the file name uplay underscore r1 underscore loader64.dll, you need to click on this action tab and choose the option allow on device. You will find option of either allow on device or you will find the option of keep. After doing so, the file will be restored. And to prevent the future blocking of this particular file, you need to click on this virus and threat protection, scroll down and click on the option manage settings. Again scroll down and click on the option add or remove exclusion. Now click on the option add an exclusion and choose the option folder. Now you need to browse the directory of the game to keep it unblocking. Suppose at my end I have a game which is installed in F drive, Steam library, and Elden Ring is the game. So I'll select that particular folder and click on the option select folder. This way the file will not be blocked again. However, if in the protection history the file is not available, then you need to open up your web browser and to download this file manually. Click on this option download to find the download link. Scroll down and you need to download a 64-bit version by clicking on the option select. Now click on the option start download. Save the file right onto your desktop. Once the file is saved, open the file, right click on the file and choose the option copy. Now you need to paste this file right in the game directory. Again, you need to open the game directory which is in Steam library. If Elden Ring is the game, open the directory and paste the file right over here and then relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of uplay underscore r1 underscore loader64.dll was missing or not found. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.